Palarivattom St. John the Baptist Church of Verapolli Archdiocese, Ernakulam, Kerala has a long and rich heritage. The church was first established on 21st December 1849 as a chapel under St. Francis of Assisi Church, Ernakulam. Sri Pallath Varki Manuel donated this land, which was known as Thekke Chuliprambu at that time, for the construction of the chapel. The chapel was on the Tripunithura, Edapalli Red Sand Road, which was the main road at that time. It was rebuilt in the Western European Gothic architecture in 1849. The local residents of all religions contributed materials and labor for building the church. After that, the church became an independent parish in 1870 under the Varpujha vicarage. In those days, a senior member of Palthuruthil family from Thammanam got a picture of Archangel Raphael and he gave it to the church. Many miracles took place in the church through the angel's mediation, and the Palarivattom church became a prominent pilgrimage center for Archangel Raphael. With the increase in the number of pilgrims, the idea of a new church as seen today arose. The present church had its foundation stone laid on 8th December 1977 and was blessed on 30th January 1983 by Dr. Joseph Kelanthara, Archbishop of Verapolli Diocese. The architect of this church, which still has a modern face, is Sri Chummar Olaprat. In this church, we can also see the statue of St. John the Baptist, imported from abroad by Father Manuel de Costa in 1913. The first primary school in Palarivattom was established in the name of st.Raphel in 1949, following the Christian church style of having a school in the churchyard. The parish, over the years, grown in leaps and bounds, along with the city of Kochi. Apart from the parish church, now there are 2 substations, 1 monastery, 5 chapels, 2 convents, 1 high school and above said primary school. Presently, there are 2,000 parish families of 10,000 parishioners, with 78 basic Christian communities. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and share your comments. Thank you.